Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft actually was talking about a tool that's been in Windows for a long time, and it's easier than ever to use now. And it has to do with speeding up your computer in a very easy way for the non-tech savvy person. And that is to simply remove as many startup apps as possible. So if you go to your settings in Windows 11, go into apps, here you will see that there's a startup section. When you click here, this will give you a list of everything that starts with your PC when you turn it on. And of course, the least amount of things that you have that start up, the better it is. So there's a list. There are switches, on-off switches. You can choose what you want to remove from the startup apps. Now, if you're not sure about, what should start up or not, you could go, switch by switch and restart and see if there's any effect or anything that is not working. Also, what I recommend is maybe you could take a snapshot or just, remember which ones were on, which ones were off. So like that, if something happens, you can actually go back, put the switches back to where they were, and then, you're back to normal. You can't really break Windows with doing this, so there's no, don't worry about it. And there are a few things that, of course, you will not turn off for some reason. For example, if I turn off the Epson software and the Epson Event Manager, the printer stops working. So that's not something that I want to do. You don't want to, remove the Windows security notification icon. It's nice to see it because it gives you the state of your PC. And if something is wrong, well, at least you can see it. It's visual. But there are a lot of apps. For example, I play some games on Steam from time to time, but not all the time. I could actually turn this off and only use Steam when I want to, play games rather than have it running in the background all the time, doing pretty much nothing because I don't game every day. So go through this list and check out what's on. And I bet you that by turning off a bunch of them, you will actually have a much faster startup time and also a faster PC because that app will not be running in the background. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.